salutations, it's your girl Ahnya, and I am back once again with another video. Woo! But I had to talk to you guys for a brief second. I am so happy to be returning. I know I've been gone for 5 months. 5 months, y'all. I've been gone for 5 months. But as you guys know, if you don't know, I'll state it again. I'm in the nursing program. It is hard to juggle many different tasks. It's either you're dedicated or you're not. So I'd rather be dedicated and pass than be trying to juggle too much and then fail. You know, I ain't got time. So now I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. Okay, so I kind of figured out what I wanted to do. I'm gonna be doing a yellow, like fun yellow but soft glam look, and it's inspired by my shirt because it's yellow. Boy, if you okay, so now that we figured out what we're gonna do, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on my spoolie and my Benefit brow crayon. It's called the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Some of the products I will be using are high-end and some of them are drugstore. Honey, I like them both. Like, they both get the job done, you know? But let me stop talking and rambling, and I'm gonna start off by doing my brows. There will be a brow tutorial coming very soon. I know I keep saying that, but it's really on my list for this summer. So stay tuned, stay on the lookout. Just so you are aware. Okay, so now I'm ready to start concealing my eyebrows. Basically, I'm just carving my eyebrows out to make them, you know, a little bit smaller and give them a defined shape. I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender and I'm gonna blend this in. I'm gonna go in with the Airspun. This is at Walmart for like $5. So I'm gonna go in with my brush and just wipe that away. Now that we have that all taken care of, we're gonna start off with the eyeshadow. Today I'm gonna be using the Morphe 3502 palette. It looks like this. I'm just gonna use this blending brush and I'm gonna dip into this orange color. I'm gonna start blending this color into my crease. I'm gonna use this color right here. I tapped into this brown right here, just a little bit of it, just to make it a little bit darker. Now I'm gonna tap into the Morphe 35B palette. This palette is discontinued, so you can use another palette from any other another yellow from any other palette that you have, and pat this yellow in. Okay, so now it's time for the concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C3. So a little trick that pretty much everyone does is you put, especially if you have hooded eyelids, you put a little bit of concealer right at the tip. You look up and you come down, and that's the natural line that you need to follow in order to achieve a nice cut crease. I am going to go in with my dark brown that I had from earlier, and I'm going to put this at the edge of my crease. I'm gonna add that orange back into this look. I'm gonna go in with my Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive. It is by it's called Eye Envy by Kiss. Looks like this. So that's all for this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then I'm gonna come back on camera. Okay, so after I normally put my lashes on, I normally go in with the NYX liner, the matte in black, and I just overline the top of the eyelash. Like, I just make it seem kind of like natural. Now, you guys do not have to do this part. I just do it to give my lashes like a bold and clean look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the 24-hour, well, up to 24-hour Maybelline New York foundation. Looks like this, and 355 coconut. So next on the agenda, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl in the color Fawn, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm going to go in with the contour part of this. And then I just take my beauty blender and I just kind of go back into my skin with this. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the new of the new of the new. I'm going to go in with that new. I'm going to go in with that new. And I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Nutmeg powder. Okay. I'm going to take this and I'm going to gently go right under my contour line, and then I'm gonna go under my eyes. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush. Wet my face again. I'm gonna go in with the Melanin in the color 19 Covet. It's literally my fave. Then I'm gonna touch it up with a little bit of gloss. And we're gonna put the finishing touches on this, and we're gonna add the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. If you guys made it all the way through this video, you must like me, so go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell so you're notified when I post a new video, which will be every single week. Check out the description, leave a comment if you like this, or leave a like, whichever one, and keep in touch with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!